Adam Liaw is here to show us how to save on those grocery bills by stretching your shop to go further.
Food is the second biggest cost in the household budget after housing, so I'm here to show you how to save money in the kitchen.
And I'm pretending I'm here to help, but really I'm just here to taste and to learn. So please tell me everything, Adam Liaw.
Well, people are often shopping multiple times in the week, but the data from CommBank suggests that shopping just one time less per week can save you up to 20% of your household grocery bill.
That means planning though, right?
It does, but a little planning goes a very long way. Buying in bulk, smart swaps, reducing waste without reducing flavour. So I'm going to show you how to do that by making stir-fried fish with broccoli stems.
Stems?
Most people are buying their broccoli for the florets, and I buy it for that too. But what you usually left over are these, and these are absolutely delicious.
Not too woody?
No, it's just that outside part that's too woody.
Ah.
The inside's really tender.
What other kinds of veggies are there that you can use multiple parts of it or all of it?
Well, you know the cob, once you've taken all the kernels off a corn?
Yeah.
You can't really eat that, but it makes a fantastic stock. It adds a real sweetness.
Ooh.
I'm just going to marinate the fish with a little bit of chicken stock powder, some cornstarch, a touch of Shaoxing wine, and I'll just gently mix that together.
So if I'm going to go to the grocery store less, which is a big win for me, I'm going to need that shop to last. Do you have any other kind of tips for me to do that?
My rule of thumb is if something cooks for more than an hour, it's worth cooking double. And then you use basically the effort of one lot of cooking to produce 2, 3, 4 meals.
Ooh.
All right, we're ready to go.
Okay, let's do it.
Broccoli stems. Ginger here now. Do you want to give it a flip, Geordie?
I'll totally give it a flip. I'll try.
Oh. Hey! That's
Look at my surprise! Okay, she's got cocky now. Oh, she got too cocky.
It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. Onion.
Yep.
Bit of garlic and a touch of chilli as well. The fish can go in now.
Yeah.
Our very simple seasonings: chicken stock powder, pinch of sugar, pinch of salt, and a touch of Shaoxing wine.
Have you always planned your meals in your grocery shops?
One thing I have always known is what I've got. And using what you have can save you a trip to the grocery store. That's looking really good. And we're ready to put it on the plate. There you go. A very simple way to stretch your shop without skimping on flavour. Stir-fried fish with broccoli stems.
Taste test time?
Let's do it.
I'm excited. Okay. It's so good.
And not woody at all, right?